freeflow all the way through, 100% real and true.
When I am just floating in the cloud of smoke, all I see is divinity. All I ever feel is tranquility. Control the energy, where it is up to me if anything can come and flow free. All I am is righteous energies. The only thing that is a little flow for me, to flow with me. Let me hold this candle up straight. Shit, I mean my sage. I love the smell of this California sage. I love the way that it envelops my space and leave me so at peace. All I feel is serenity. All I feel is this peaceful energy, and I flow to these ambient tracks, and then I listen to it when I play it back, and I see that I was in a whole different world. Then I see that I am in a world with a positive energy, that I only want to share, that I only want to care for you. Lend me your heart, open up your mind, so I can freely flow inside. I need you to know I am do this, because when I raise everybody else up, then I am filled with this undying love. Just wait a second, feel it. Do you feel the way that it flows? Do you like the way that we are up in the smoke? You ain't even physically here, but you feel this energy if it's you were here. This is my gift to the world, and this is the thing that I wanna share with the world. Let me guide you into deep peace. Let me love on you with no strings attached. I only wanna care for your soul. I only want you to open up and trust that I am for you. For you to open up and see that I am a reflection of you. I only wanna love you. I only want you to surpass all these truths. Don't dwell in a place where you think you know it all. There is always more to learn. There is always more to feel. Do you feel the realness of these energies that are permeating our space? I am flowing free, 'cause I want you to see that I don't have to write down these free